Hello students, welcome back to our online class for today. Okay, so this is the second session. Okay, students, according to our schedule for the second session, also we still learned from blueprint 3. Good. So students, now please open your book to page 64, then you will see the topic that we are going to learn for today, for this session. Okay, so we are going to learn about new unit, changing your major, and new lessons as well, deciding what to study. Okay, students, so changing ordinal and major. What is a major? Major, we talk about it. Okay, the field or the subject that we are studying. Okay, that we study at the university. Okay, deciding what to study. This is very important to all the students that just finished grade 12. Then they are going to continue their study at the college or university. Okay, they have to make one decision to choose the best major to study at university. This is very important for all the students. Why? Because that field, that major can be the career for them for the future as well. So that's why they have to make the tough decision to choose. Okay, right, good students. So before we start learning about new lessons and new unit, so teacher would like to review you about, would like to ask you some questions about about what we have learned in the first session. Okay, students, what have we learned in the first session? So in the first session we have learned about grammar, when plus clause. Okay, when do we use when plus clause, students? Who still remember? Okay, we use when plus clause in the future statements and questions to talk about a time. Okay, that something, to talk about a time when something happened. Okay, in the future, right? Good students. So now teacher would like you to open your book to page 64 together, and you will see about this lesson. Okay, good students. So let's move to page 64. All right. Teacher would like you to look at part A first. You will read and listen about it. One statement. Not one statement. One text. About the what students face challenge when choosing major. So you have time 5 minutes. 2 minutes for listen and 3 minutes for reading. So students, you have to spend time 5 minutes. Are you ready? Let's start. Okay, students, so have you done with your reading and listening yet? Okay, so if you haven't done with your reading and listening, you can pause the video or you can replay the video as well, okay? Right, good. So now let's move to part B of vocabulary. So here are the vocabulary that we are going to study for today for the first lesson. Okay, so after we learned about this vocabulary, you require to do the exercise, on part B as well. Fill in the blanks with the correct, words from the book. Okay, so these are the vocabulary from the book, and you have to put it into the correct, in the correct place in here. So teacher not write about about the full exercise. Teacher just write about the number only. So to do this, you require to have textbook. Right, student book. Okay, good students. So now let's teacher read it for you. Then you have to repeat after me. After that, teacher will explain you about the meaning of all of this vocabulary. Right? Okay, good. Okay, so teacher will read it for you. A. Situation, interest, factor, avoid, avoid. Opportunities, program, competitive, offer, again, offer, competitive, program, opportunities, avoid, factor, interest, situation, again, situation, repeat after me, situation, interest, interest, factor, factor, avoid, avoid, opportunities, opportunities, program, competitive, offer. Okay, students, so again, offer, competitive, program, opportunities, avoid, factor, interest, situation. Okay, students, so situation, what does it mean, situation? Okay, so situation means a set of time, okay? We talk about the time between something happened, okay? B, interest. What does it mean, interest? Interest, the feeling wanting to know or learn something, okay? Called interest. C, factor. What does it mean, factor? Factors, okay, means influence that contributes, okay, contributes to a result, so we call factor. Next, D, avoid, avoid. So avoid means keep away from something, so we call avoid. Opportunity, what does it mean, opportunities? Okay, so opportunity, we talk about something that is possible, okay, to do, okay, something that is possible to do. Next, program. What does it mean, program, students? Okay, so program is such the activities, okay, the activities long term on, okay. Next, G, competitive. What does it mean, competitive? Okay, so a competitive means trying, doing something to get successful than others, okay. The last one, offer. What does it mean, offer? So offer means it functions as a verb to give, okay. So that's all for the vocabulary. Any question, students? If you're not clear about all of these vocabularies, you can replay the video, okay. Okay, good, students. So now, time to do exercise. Okay, so open your book to page 60, 64 altogether. Look at part B. Fill the blanks with the correct words from the book. Okay, number one, it's hard to get into Harvard Business School. It's very what? Okay, we need to take exam, right? Okay, good. So it's very, which one? Okay, competitive. So there are many candidates, right, that want to study at this school, so it is very competitive. Next, 2, I want to get scholarships to pay for college so that I can what? I want to get scholarship to pay for college so that I can what, students? I can blah 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 student loans. Should be escape, right? Should be stay away from or keep away from. So okay, avoid. Okay. 3, violin is a popular music at the Juilliard school. So which one, students? It's such a what? You know that in school, right, we learn about many subjects, and we have another activity as well, like sport or music, okay. So this is called program. Okay, program. Program. Number four, does your university blah 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 agree in cosmetic, okay, cosmetology, okay, cosmetology, okay, cosmetology. What does it mean, students? Who know about this word? Okay, so cosmetology, we talk about the major in makeup, okay, makeup or design, yes, about everything about makeup, so called cosmetology. Number four, does your university blah 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 a degree in cosmetology? So number four, with what, students? So this should be verb. Does your university, verb, so it should be offer, okay, offer degree, offer. Number five, I like design, but my real is architecture. Real what? It should be skill, but my real opportunity, no. Interesting, feel in my real interest. I like design, but my real interest. Really? Okay, interest. My real interest. Number six, it is terrible if it can be terrible, should be timed. Sometime that is terrible. If you graduate college but still cannot find a job, so we talk about the time. Okay, so a set of time, so it should be situation. Okay, situation. Number seven, tuition was the most important thing. Okay, in my decision to study at business state school. BISMAC, okay, BISMAC state school. So which one? Factor, okay, the most important factor. So tuition can be this school is very expensive. The last one, students. So the last one, competitive finish. If you have a degree in nursing, there are many jobs opportunity for you, okay, at hospital in the city. So in the city there are many hospitals, so that's why there are many opportunity as well. Opportunity as well. Okay, done. All right, any questions, students? So if you have questions, just leave a question below this video, then teacher will try to answer your question. Okay, now our video coming to the end. Thank you for watching, and teacher hope to see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.